For AirTags, I have also bought special lever case for it with the instructions how to open, close key within it. So let's see what is inside. This is high quality lever, in very sensitive in touch, very good quality. I prefer use this with AirTags to secure your device. So now time to open AirTags itself. So also check what's inside. We have some instruction how to pair it with iPhone, and of course should be also our AirTag. Yes, it is beautiful. My version is with the star symbol. Of course, you can pick your own letters as you wish on the Apple Store during buying process. And now you can see how all together looks like. Okay, so in the iPhone, go to localizator map. You can go into devices and add new AirTag. You can make it close to your iPhone, and the iPhone should detect the AirTag, and you should be able to pair it. You can name it, connect with your Apple ID, connect it, configure it, and yeah, it's there. Very nice. I connected this with my home keys. You can test it, for example, playing sound from AirTag itself. Very nice, everything works. So this was a fast unboxing of Apple AirTags. Thank you very much.